Alrighty, I'm so excited. Today I have an unboxing from the mysterygiftshop.com. First of all, this is not a sponsored video. I pay with my own money. Let's see, I got the Everything Mystery Box for $99 plus $8.99 shipping for a total of $108.98. Okay, all products are supposed to be brand new, no used, damaged, or broken items. And a lot of their products come from Amazon, Target, etc. They say it's suitable for gifts or just having fun. I ordered it on August the 9th, which was a Wednesday, and received it on August the 14th, which was yesterday. And the website is the mysterygiftshop.com, which I will put a link below. After opening the box, at the end of the video, I will go and I will total up the total MSRP to see what the total of my box was and give my honest opinion. Okay, let's get into it. I have seen some unboxings. Some people have gotten good boxes and some have gotten not so good boxes. So let's see what we get. And I am thinking, I do resell part-time, but I'm not sure if this is going to be good for reselling or not. We will see. That's why I want to try it. A lot of people have said that it's a good box for gift giving. Christmas is coming up. A lot of people have kept a lot of stuff for themselves. But we will see. Okay. There is the first look. I'm going to move this to the side and take them out one by one. Okay, first it looks like we have some clothing, which looks to be Levi's signature. So I will take these out. And I know they do sell these at Walmart and other places. They are signature Levi Strauss Gold. Pull on skinny. Not sure what. They're shaping. Size 2L, waist 26, length 32. Don't think they'll fit me, so these will either be a gift or I could possibly resell those. Probably won't get much money for them, but we'll see. There's the back. Okay. We have Crayola Signature Liquid Metal Craft Markers. Perfect for hand lettering craft. And there are 6 markers enclosed. Okay. Oh, look at this. We have a Coach wristlet. That's nice. Let's see, it has the tags inside. Let's go look inside. Let's see if it has a price. Oh, $82.99. That's nice. Okay, we have Courant. How do you say that? Courant Leather AirPods Pro Case, which I use Samsung, but my husband does use Apple AirPods. You might like that. That's nice. Okay. We have a foldable yoga mat. Which I do yoga, but I already have plenty of these. So this will either be a gift, and it's Gim. It's really pretty. I love those colors. Not bad. Interesting. Earplugs. Pluggeries Swim, Pluggerers, I don't know how you pronounce that, Swim earplugs. Okay. Then we have Fog Defender System, which I have some of this by Zeiss. No, that's not worth too much. And then the last item, we have a Honeywell fan, Dreamweaver. Dream comfortably all year long. Sleep fan with pink noise. 3 powerful cooling speeds, on and off airflow, USB, a USB charging port. That's interesting. And a power sleep fan. So that's nice. Okay, so that's it. We have the Honeywell fan, the yoga mat, that's 2 items, the AirPod case, the liquid metal craft markers, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, the earplugs, 5, the Coach, which was the best out of the whole box, wristlet, the anti-fog. So let's see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then the Levi's. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go total all this up and see what the MSRP is and see what we got. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so I totaled up everything. And we will start with, and I got most of these off of Amazon because that is where they say they get their stuff from, and Target. So the Levi's Strauss pull-on shaping jeans, I gave them the benefit of the doubt. They were on sale for $8.88, but the listed price was $29.99, so that's what we'll go with. The Pluggers Swim earplugs, they were $13. The Courant AirPod case was $14.99. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I'm probably not. The Fog Defense System, which I was surprised, was listed for $6.69, which I just got a whole bunch of these from CVS for 50 cents a piece, so I would not pay that much by no means. The Coach wristlet, which that came with a price tag of $82.99. And the Crayola Signature liquid metal craft markers for $12.89. The yoga mat, which I was also surprised. Folding yoga mat was $35.85. And then the Honeywell Dreamweaver sleep fan was $44.45. Okay, so the total MSRP of all these together was $240.85. And they do say that you will get an MSRP from $210 to $500. So they're correct about that. Now, the reseller part of me, to be honest, no, I would not purchase this box again for reselling. For one, let's see, the little items like this, you know you're not going to be able to resell those. unless you have a whole bunch and put it into a lot or something like that. I just don't think much of this has good resale value. And the Coach wristlet, we know you're not going to get the price that it says. What was it, 82 something? You're not going to be able to resell it for that much. So honestly, with these items, the $99, you might get lucky and break even. See, this is $44. You're not going to be able to sell it for $44. The yoga mat, you're not going to be able to sell for the full price. So you might get lucky and break even. But if you're getting these boxes, this box, I haven't tried the rest of them, you might get lucky and get your money back. But as a reseller, no, I would not buy this box again. Now, if I was just looking for a box at a good price for gifts, possibly. But I really think some of this stuff I could have gotten on clearance at Target or Walmart. Just giving my honest opinion. I'm going to be truthful with my unboxings. So, it is right. You do get $210 to $500 MSRP. Once again, this one came out to, what was it, $240.85. It was not a bad box. I'm happy with the yoga mat, the fan. The case could be a gift. The markers I could use for crafting. This could be a gift or possibly resale. These, no. I mean, I think they could have left that out and did that with something else, but that's just my opinion. And they do have other boxes. Now, I have seen some get the electronic box, and they've gotten chargers for their phones and various items. So I might order an electronic box just to try it out and see, but I do not think I will reorder this box again. But anyway, if you're interested, and this is just my opinion, So if you're interested, I will put the link below. It's the mysterygiftshop.com. And once again, I am not affiliated. I paid for this box with my own money. It was $99 plus $8.99 shipping for a total of $108.98. Okay, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Have a nice evening. Bye.